Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find numbers which are divisible by 7 and multiple of 5 in a given range. So let's get started. In the first line defines a function named find numbers that takes two arguments, start and end. These arguments represent the range of numbers to search for specific condition. Now, in the next line, this line prints a message indicating what the program will find in a given range. Here, the next line, this line iterates a loop through all numbers from start to end inclusively, and range generates numbers starting from startup to the indicating end. Now, the next line, this condition checks if the current number satisfy two conditions. The first one is number percentage 7 is equals to 0. If the number is divisible by 7, no remainder when divided by 7. And the next condition number percentage 5 is equals to 0, the number is divisible by 5. The AND operator ensures both the conditions must be true for the block of code to execute. Now in the next line, if the number meets the conditions, it is printed. And AND is equals to ensures that the number are printed on the same line, separated by spaces instead of each number appearing in a new line. Now the next line prints a new line after all matching number have been displayed to ensure the console output looks clean. Now the next line, this line prompts the user to input the starting of the range, and the next line prompts the user to input the ending of the range. And the last line, this line calls the find numbers function with the user provided start and end values as the argument. So let's check this program. I am entering the starting of the range. Now ending range. Hence, number divisible by 7 and multiple of 5 between 12 and 45 is 35. So thanks for watching this video.